How to activate YouTube Premium on Smart TV. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate YouTube Premium on Smart TV. So let's get it started. First, let's get to the home screen. On the home screen, we go to YouTube app. We click on it. It takes us to this page. We scroll all the way down to settings. Now, on the right hand side, you see Get YouTube Premium. So you click right on your remote like this and go to Get YouTube Premium. Now let's go right again to Get YouTube Premium. Now when we are there, we click on it. It opens. Now you have two options, either as a family or as an individual. So you can click on any of them depending on your choice. Now, if you open any of these, it gives you a QR code that you can access with your phone, or it gives you option for an email. You enter the instruction and then you'll be connected to your YouTube Premium. When we are done with all of this, we simply press back to go back to the home screen. So that is how to activate your YouTube Premium on your smart TV.